Address air pollution. Ito ang isa sa mga layon ng Airborne Satellites Investigation of Asian Air Quality o Asia-AQ Science Mission na pinangungunahan ng National Aeronautics and Space Administration o NASA ng Estados Unidos, katuwang ang Pilipinas, South Korea, Malaysia at Thailand. Sa proyektong ito, kumukolekta ng datos sa iba't ibang lokasyon gamit ang DC-8 Flying Laboratory ng NASA at G3 aircraft, gayon din ng ground sites at satellites upang magkaroon ng mas malawak na kaalaman ukol sa local air quality issues.
The reason that we call the DC-8 a flying laboratory, these are instruments that are very much more complex, that are responsible for making much finer measurements that can enhance the longer-term vision that comes from DDNR. And so we do it periodically with this kind of technology to provide an anchor point from which you can understand things beyond.
Nito lamang Webes, February 8, isang Memorandum of Understanding ang nilagdaan ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources o DENR at NASA para sa nasabing science mission. Ayon kay DENR Secretary Maria Antonia Yulo Loizaga, magdudulot ng mas accurate at komprehensibong air quality assessment sa bansa ang naturang partnership.
This is just one step, and we're hoping here that in fact we would be able to actually contribute to discussion on air quality and pollution and climate change, especially for COP29. So with the help of our partners, especially in NASA, we'd like to understand the interaction between pollutants, greenhouse gases, and climate change as well.
Nabigyan din ng pagkakataon ng mga miyembro ng media kasama ng CLTV 36 News na makasakay sa nasabing flying laboratory na kasalukuyang nasa Clark International Airport. Dito ipinaluwanag ng mga scientists at flight crew ang iba't ibang mga kagamitan para sa proyekto.
The mission director station, and what we do here is we help work with all of the scientists on board during the flight to coordinate the different flight paths that we want to work on, the different altitudes that they need to be at. We work with them to determine one priority, and then once we know what they want, we'll communicate that to the pilots. And we work that out as a team in order to figure out where we can get the best science for the best results.
It takes about 3 hours to turn this on because we need to cool down some parts and make sure everything works. And then we start, as soon as we take off, we start the measurement, and then we keep measuring while we fly around.
Nakatakdang lumipad sa Metro Manila at iba pang lugar sa bansa ang DC-8 Flying Laboratory na mayroong 26 advanced instruments simula February 11 hanggang 15. Samantala, ayon sa climate at pollution scientist ng Manila Observatory na si Dr. Maria Obiminda Cambaliza, umaabot sa 7 milyon ang namamatay sa buong mundo taon-taon dahil sa air pollution. Sa Pilipinas, umaabot sa 100 kada 100,000 katao ang namamatay sa parehong kadahilanan. At sa mga nakaraang taon, naobserbahan umano nila ang pagbaba sa bilang ng PM 2.5 o mga maliliit na particles sa hangin. Kaya naman, kinikilala ni Cambaliza ang importansya ng nasabing kampanya. Suportado rin ito ng Department of Health.
The Department of Health will always deliver the messages so that the public will be warned against the health effects of air pollution. And now we have a technology that will allow the Department of Health and the DNR to refine our recommendations and messages.
Liana Canilaw, CLTV 36 News.